welcome back to the channel. It's Tatiana Lemomi, Life with Tati, whatever you want to call it. I have Majesty here. Say hi, Majesty. She's ready to go. I wasn't going to be doing anything today. Today is Friday. I did want to just stay home because my lips are still healing, as you can see. About to start peeling. So yeah, but my grandma called me earlier, and my grandma's 80. She has dementia, but you know, she did take care of me. Like, I grew up with my grandparents, so she called me this morning, and she couldn't remember what she called me for because she has dementia, but that's okay. And then I started talking to her, and then I was like, you know, why don't we just go out for lunch? You know, because I'm not doing nothing. I know she's not doing anything. And my grandpa's not alive anymore. So, unfortunately, he passed away. So, she kind of, you know, sits at home by herself. I mean, there is other family members that live with her, but she sits at home most of the day when people go to work. So, yeah, I figure why not just take my grandma out, have some lunch, talk, and stuff like that. I probably won't put her in this vlog only because she's probably going to be camera shy, and you know, yeah, it's my grandma. So anyway, I probably won't be putting her in this vlog, but I'll probably vlog myself eating if I do remember. But yeah, stay tuned, come along with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content. And yeah, let's get right into it. Later. Me and my grandma. Hey, go away, eating Burger King.
This is me, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, you call it
Troll toy. Wow, is that trolls?
Chow!
They're your troll toy?
Chocolate!
Nice. Oh. They are crusty, they are dry, and they are peeling. With another update. If you can see, my lips are peeling here and a little bit here, and this one's like ready to fall off, but they are definitely peeling. It's about the end of the third night, and they are definitely peeling. And yeah, that's the update of the night. Later. Hey y'all, welcome back to another check-in. Do you see it peeled off? And it's really peeling. Even my eyebrows are peeling. So far so good. I believe this is the color that it's going to be. If you can see it, it's like super light, but it works for me. And yeah, it's 7 in the morning, I think. It's about 7 in the morning. I don't have a lot of plans today except cleaning and stuff. So yeah, just waiting for Majesty to wake up. Sunday, and it's, I believe, the 5th day since I've got my lip blush, and the top is pretty much peeled off. The bottom is still crusty. Hey y'all, to check in, I be looking a mess. My lips are almost done healing. Eyebrows is peeling. Today I'm doing some work outside, moving some logs, helping my dad. So I'm pulling them off with the truck. And yeah, it's a work kind of day. But yeah, that's today's check-in. I will try to vlog some more if I can. If not, I will whenever I can. Five vlogs off. One more to go. Hey y'all, it's executed. We got the empty truck and the logs. And it was very successful. Hey y'all, it is Tuesday, so it's day 7. The lips are pretty much healed. It's just peeling around, and my eyebrows are peeling and all that. And I just went to go get my nails done. I didn't get to vlog inside just because we were kind of busy and we were focused and all that, but I did decide to do some Halloween nails. So they look like this. Some spiderweb moment, and then let me show you the other side. Spiderweb moment with a spider, and of course I like to have the bling. And yeah, so I just finished my nail appointment. While I was there, Majesty was actually at the park with my uncle, so I'm actually here at the park right now to go pick her up. I'll probably vlog a little bit if I have time at the park. I have a few things that I need to do and errands to run, and that's why your girl hasn't been around, because I've been busy. But yeah, we'll see when where I'll be vlogging next or what I'll be doing, and I will show you guys. All right y'all, later. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Uh-oh. Come on, honey. Today is Wednesday. Lips are pretty much healed. Eyebrows are peeling. And today we're gonna go to the beach. So we just got to the beach. And yeah, I'll vlog once we get in. I will show you guys what the bay like. See? And then I know you guys can't see it in the film, but all the way out in the corner at the edge of that cliff over there, you'll see like a white little line, and that is the Captain Cook Monument that everyone likes to go and visit. And yeah, we're just here, we're swimming. I can't really swim because of my eyebrows, but we're just chilling, enjoying the nice breeze, the relaxing beach day, getting us some out of the house time. And yeah, I will just be kicking it here and vlogging here and there.